Well, researchers from the Department of the Theoretical and Applied Biology at the KNUST and the Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research in Tropical Medicine have revealed in a recent study that almost a majority of hairdressing tools sampled from salons across the Kumasi metropolis are contaminated with drug-resistant germs. The scientists are concerned as this indicates a serious threat to public health. Joy News medical correspondent Dr. Netta Pasram has more in this report.
Ladies have hair needs, and these hair needs ought to be met. A quick trip to the salon is often the solution. How often do you visit the salon? And have you ever wondered what kind of germs you're likely to carry home following a visit to the salon? It's been found in various studies that hairdressing tools, like this one, harbor germs. And some of these germs are drug resistant, while others cause infection.
Hairdressing salons tools have been documented as environmental tools that harbor microorganisms, some of which can cause antibacterial resistant infections. And as at the time the study was conducted, few studies had been conducted in Ghana with regards to such infections.
The study sought to determine how much knowledge, if any, hairdressers and their clients have on the risk of picking up infection from the salon. The study revealed that 22.7% of individuals are not aware that they could either spread or acquire infection in the hairdressing salon. 97.2% of hairdressing tools sampled were contaminated with fungi and bacteria.
The tools were contaminated with bacteria such as Staph aureus, coagulase negative Staph, E. coli, Bacillus species, Micrococcus species, and Aspergillus species. And then all the bacteria were found to be resistant to the antibiotics that were used to test them. I mean, highly resistant.
Of course, based on the findings, now we can definitely say that these microorganisms are present. So education is very, very important. Secondly, and I think which should be one of the things we may want to do, is to introduce some level of sterilization of these equipments within the barbering shops and salons. Sometimes you find these sterilization equipment in there, but as to whether they are functional is another story or something else we may want to look into. So sterilization, ensuring that they are really and thoroughly sterilized, and importantly talking about these things so that people become very much aware of what is going on in our environment, I think should be very important.